Hi everyone, I'm Shruti and today we are going to indulge in a very interesting recipe. Something chocolatey, gooey and very fudgy. Let's make the chocolate pistachio fudge. For the chocolate pistachio fudge you will need 400 grams of dark chocolate, a cup of pistachios, a whole tin of Milkmaid condensed milk and 2 tablespoons of butter. You will need a greased and a foiled pan for the setting of the chocolate fudge. So now let's get to making the chocolate pistachio fudge. In this, I am going to add a whole tin of condensed milk to the pan. So I have emptied the condensed milk in the pan and I'm going to just break the chocolate randomly. And I have taken 2 tablespoons of butter. So I'm going to add all that to the pan. And I have my flame switched on. I'm just going to cook this on not a very high flame, but making sure that the whole mixture is nice and homogeneous. So by the time this is melting, I'm going to crush the pistachios in a ziploc. So I'm going to add them to a ziploc and I'm going to pat this. Make sure you remove all your lockdown, stay-at-home frustration on this bag. Keep stirring this. Do not leave this unattended because you don't want the chocolate to burn. And make sure at all times your flame is not very high. And you keep moving this. And once your chocolate melts, you add these pistachios to the pan. And you're done. Now my whole chocolate and butter and the condensed milk have come together. And you can see this mixture. Switch off the flame immediately. Let it melt more in the residual heat. Now all I'm going to do is add the pistachios. I haven't crushed them all through because there are some whole and there are some pieces and there's some powder as well. So it gives you a very interesting texture. Now I'm just going to mix this. Doesn't this look amazing? Like a quick dessert during staying at home and not having to go out. Just quickly make this and you're good to go. You can even switch this with some milk chocolate instead of dark if you don't like dark. And you can even make it half dark and half milk chocolate. So you can make all sorts of combinations. Now all I'm going to do is I have greased a tray with some regular butter, making sure that all the sides are greased well, and I've also taken some foil. Just makes it easier for me to cut it later. I'm just going to empty this whole mixture so now just tap this, and now you just have to set it in the fridge and control your temptation not to eat it hot because it's really hot. So cool it in the fridge for some time. Once it's set, you cut it into pieces and enjoy. So after I put this in the tray, I let it cool for some time just in the tray itself outside, and I put it in the refrigerator for a few hours. So it can take about an hour to 4 hours to set, but the best is just to wait for about 3 to 4 hours minimum. So you get the best out of this fudge. So now it's set. I'm going to remove this out of the foil. The reason for using the foil is just for the easy cutting and setting of the fudge. So I'm going to take this out. So open it up and just cut it into small pieces. And this is absolutely ready. A perfect, a quick recipe for just big time indulgence. Enjoy this and let me know how you like it. And I can show you that the pistachios are looking so pretty inside, and obviously you cannot wait to eat this. So, enjoy the fudge, enjoy the indulgence, and keep watching my recipes.